Hey, this is Chase with SLE Equipment. We're located 20 minutes south of Nashville, Tennessee, in Antioch, Tennessee. You can call us at 615-641-7720. You can look us up on our website at sleequipment.com. Today we're looking at our Toro TimeCutter HD series. This is the 48-inch cut with the MyRide Suspension System. So on this machine, like I said, it's a 41-inch cutting deck. What we're really going to go for is the MyRide. The MyRide has your spring system right here. That's really going to give you a lot of that give for when you're driving your machine. On the back real quick for the MyRide, I will show you that it has adjustable shocks. You release those, set them up for however you need them. That's going to be adjusted determined on your weight and that kind of thing. Back to the front of the machine. It's a 48-inch cutting deck, fully welded steel. You have a scalp wheel on your left hand side, your right hand side, and right in the middle, so you won't scalp your lawn. On the side you have a quick connect for a water hose, clean your deck. Up top you got your gas tank. Come around, you got your Toro V-twin commercial 22.5 horsepower Toro engine. You got your dipstick right here. You got your oil filter right there. You got the drain oil plug right there. On your right hand side you got your storage for your battery. You got a 12-volt battery hookup, a PTO switch for your blades, your spot for your key. You got your choke, and you got your throttle. On the left hand side of your deck, you have another quick connect spout for a water hose to clean out underneath your deck, as long as your chute system. This machine has a Hydro Gear 3100 serviceable transmission on the machine. This is the semi-commercial Toro. This is the TimeCutter HD, the 48-inch MyRide. If you're interested in one of these machines or any others, you can look us up on our website at sleequipment.com. You can call our salesman at 615-641-7720. Thanks. Have a good day.